Hey guys, what's up to another video here. I will be showing y'all how to use Lucky Patcher in 2019. Now there has been a lot of people that requested this video, and I'm here making it. But guys, before I do all of that, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment on what I should do next. That'd be very, very appreciated. And also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. All those will be in the link in the description. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get on with this video. So the first thing you would do is you would obviously want to have Lucky Patcher. So let me open the app right now. And then once you go to Lucky Patcher, let me just give it all this right here. Foolishness. I have to restart the app, but once you go to the Lucky Patcher app, personally, it should look like this. Now I just download the app, and these two you can just deny if you just started the app. I mean, that might be one, that might be two. You never know. But anyway, guys, I'll be showing you how to use Lucky Patcher. Alright, guys, so here are all my games. So this is what Lucky Patcher should look like. So guys, what you want to do is you want to look up a game. For this example, I'm going to be doing Subway Surfers. So let me just install that. And by the way, guys, a lot of people have been talking about it doesn't work. Lucky Patcher doesn't work on my other video. And let me just say that right now. Lucky Patcher doesn't work on all games. Most of the time it works on offline games, but the majority of the time it works on offline. That's what I meant to say. It doesn't work on online games, but the majority of the time it works on offline. That's what I meant to say. So anyway, guys, it's installing. So let's just let it install. So as you can see, the app has been installed. So what you want to do is you want to go to the back to the Lucky Patcher, and then you want to find your game. So see if I can just find it, and here it is, Subway Surf right here. What you want to do is you want to go to the menu of patches, create modified APK file, and APK for in-app and level emulation. So just press that, then just press rebuild the app, and it might take a while for the files to be completed. So just give it a while, and I'll be back with you. I'll be back with you once after the process has been completed. So people, so guys, now that the process is complete, it should look something like this. So guys, what you want to do is you want to go to files, press go to file right here, and then press uninstall and then stop. So just press that. And it might take a while, alright, so it says, do you really want to install, delete, Subway Surfers? Just press yes. And it says Subway Surfers, do you want to uninstall this app? Just press OK. And it's going to say uninstall the Subway Surfers. And it might take, and it might do this, so just give it some time. This might be a part of the new update, so like I said, just give it some time. Alright, now it says Subway Surf, do you want to install this application? It does not require any special access. So just press install. And here it is, it's just going to say installation in progress. So just wait for it. So just wait until it installs. That's basically what I'm saying. So just give it some time. Alright, so now it says finished. Successfully split. Application Subway Surface has successfully installed. So just press OK. And then once after you do all that, just open the app. So here. Let me turn my volume down. So as you can see, people, it is loading up. Take me to some stupid crap. Okay, let me turn this down. Alright, so let me just put something. Alright guys, so just press accept. Alright people, so I will be proving to y'all that this is totally legit. This is not a scam. This isn't a virus. This is like totally legit. So let me just complete this my little tutorial. Okay, just complete the little tutorial right here. Okay, double with the active. Texas. Maybe it's got nothing to do with Texas. Personally, I live in Texas, and this right here got nothing to do with Texas, honestly. Let's see if I can just die since I'm done with the tutorial. So now the fact I'm done with the tutorial, let me prove to y'all that this is legit. So as you can see, I'm at the store, and let me get the highest amount of coins, which is 1.2 million coins, and it should take you to this type of page right here. And it says in purchase this hack. Do you want to try to get this item for free? Just press yes. And then as you can see, boom, bam, bidding dollar, or however you want to call it. Here it is, totally legit. Just hack the game, no virus, no nothing. This won't mess up your phone. This won't do nothing to your phone. This is totally legit, totally safe, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what I should do next. And I'll see you